In this video, I'm going to show you how to install these all-weather floor mats in this Volkswagen Beetle. Let's get into it. You're going to start with the driver's floor mat. That looks just like this. If you have floor mats in the car, you want to remove those. We're going to line this part up underneath the pedals. And in the back, there's two little pins in the floor, right there and right there. You're going to line those up and lock those down. And that's all secure. This is the shape of the passenger side one, and it's going to be very similar. Just slide it in position. Take out the old floor mat if there is one. Line that up and push it down. Lock it in place. Now we're going to move the seat up. Just push that lever, slide the seat forward. This is the passenger side rear one. You can see there's a little bit of difference. This one's curved and this side is not as curved. I'm going to slide that in position. It's going to go underneath these tracks and push it down. And we're going to do the same on the driver's side. Move the seat up. And then this is going to be the driver's side one. Curve on that side, bump on this side, slide that in position, and push it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.